Welcome to the Daily Affirmation. Thank you for ending your day with us and for choosing to prioritize your rest and recovery. You release the events of the day and let them go with love. Your body is tired and ready for deep, restorative sleep. Your mind is quiet, calm, and at peace. You are safe, protected, and surrounded by comfort and warmth. You deserve rest and your body is grateful for this time of healing. Your nervous system is relaxed and your breath is slow and natural. You let go of any worry, stress, or tension that you carry. Your sleep is deep, peaceful, and restorative. You fall asleep easily and sleep through the entire night. Your dreams are pleasant and your sleep is undisturbed. You trust that everything will be okay while you rest. Your body knows how to heal and regenerate during sleep. You are grateful for this day and ready to release it. Your bedroom is a sanctuary of peace, comfort, and safety. You feel heavy, grounded, and ready to sleep. Your mind settles like a still pond as you drift toward sleep. You are giving your body the gift of deep, restorative rest. You wake up tomorrow feeling refreshed, energized, and grateful. Your sleep is a time of healing and renewal. You release control and allow sleep to come naturally. You are at peace with yourself and with the world around you. Your eyes are heavy, your body is relaxed, and sleep is calling. You are drifting deeper and deeper into peaceful, restful sleep. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with us. Save this video for your nightly routine and subscribe to receive daily affirmations for peace and well-being.